Hello friends and welcome to another video lesson from DBOS Talks. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click subscribe and click the bell so that you can be notified of new uploads. In this video presentation, we'll be learning how to dictate instead of type when using Microsoft tools, applications like Word, Notepad. Okay, so this is not a full-blown feature which totally makes your hands free. There will be other features like that in Windows, but in this installment of this kind, in this video, we'll be focusing mainly on dictating, not 100% dictation end to end, but meaning just so it eases your load, it lightens up your load in typing. Instead of typing, you'll be dictating. Okay. So first things first, we'll do some minimal setup first. As you know, your desktop already has some built-in microphone, that's for sure. Otherwise, you'll be prompted with some kind of alert message about it if you don't have one. So first is we will set up the needed system setup to make this work. The first is you will click on the Windows key plus the letter H. So Windows plus the letter H. Okay. So I'll type that now. So when you do that, you will see this prompt. Okay. Okay, so they're typing for me now. Yeah. I'll remove it for now. Let me open first. Wait. It wasn't supposed to be working at first. So initially, it's because I've already set it. So when you press on Windows plus letter H, you will see this prompt. This is the normal way. You will see this prompt. You see a microphone icon over here, and then it says to use dictation, go to settings and turn on online speech recognition. This is your starting point right here. So from here, you can click this. It's a hot link. You can click on here, on this one, and it opens for you the settings, specifically the specific settings you need to turn on. So under speech, you have here a toggle switch, which is for online speech recognition. One thing to note is you should be using a Windows device which is already connected to the internet because this is online. Okay, so that's one. You're online using a Windows device, and then you toggle this switch to on. Okay, and then you can close this. Okay, so we have Microsoft Word open, we have a Notepad open. Just for illustration, you can see how it behaves, how it works on both applications. Again, you will press Windows key on your keyboard plus the letter H. Okay, you will see this, and you see the, okay, I've already, you can see now that I'm just talking, it's already typing the words for me, isn't it? So if I say period, okay, the quick brown fox, okay, you can see it's not typing for me. So what you do is it stopped taking my dictation. So what you do is you can again click on this. Normally you click on the microphone because it's already on. When you click on the microphone, it will show you initializing, and then after a while it will show you listening. Once you see the word listening, that means the microphone is ready for you to speak again. Okay, so I will click on this microphone icon over here. Listening. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Period. This is a classic example of a sentence often used by students in the old days learning how to type, period. Go to the start of type. Delete type. Okay, it's not perfect. I may not know by heart all the commands. I can cancel this one now. So you can see how it goes. You can see the dictation is working. Again, to set up, the setup is not so much. You start with the Windows H, Windows key plus H. And then it will prompt you to turn on online speech recognition, which again, the starting point is your Windows device is connected to the internet. Then you turn on online speech recognition by pressing this Windows H key. And then once you see the bar at the very top, it has a microphone icon to it. And then when you click on that, it will initially show initializing. And then once you see the word listening, you can start typing. So we have seen it in action in Microsoft Word. Now let's see how it works in Notepad, its little cousin. Okay, I'll just type on the Windows. Before that, I will click on Notepad just to tell Windows that I want to make this the active application. So meaning I want to dictate words into this application. Windows H. This is Notepad. This is Notepad. Start typing. Okay, it was working earlier. Let me do that again. Windows H. Okay. Working. Hello. Test. I'll click this again. This is Notepad. Wrong word. Period. I meant Notepad. Period. Go to the start of bad. Okay. Stop this for a while. So you can see it is not perfect. It takes here on the background I have opened. You can search this in the internet. You can Google for this. Use voice typing to talk instead of typing on PC. This is on the Microsoft help pages. So it gives you a list of dictation commands which you can use to make good use of this feature. So like here, if you want to clear a selection, you say clear selection, or I'll select that. Example, I wanted to delete a word. I will say delete, and then the item in bold, you replace it with the word that you want to delete. Let's say delete. I say I wanted to delete okay. I will say delete okay. That's what it means. So there you go. There you have it. You have seen the dictation in action, although not perfect, but it's partly my fault that I'm not so familiar with the. It could be also a disconnect in terms of speech recognition. It could be my accent. It could be the speed at which I was talking. It could be any kind of combination of these parameters, these variables. So I hope we've learned something new from here. In this video, remember to set this up, two simple things, Windows H. And the other thing is, if it doesn't come up, you type this in your Cortana in the Windows search bar, online speech recognition. Okay, online speech recognition is either that, or you can just type Windows plus H. If I do that now, so this is what it shows. So it will show a microphone icon, and in the beginning it will show as initializing. After a while it will show as listening. Once you see the word listening, it is ready for you to dictate. Unfortunately, even in this official help page, I don't see any option on using dictation, saving by voice. There's no such thing in this help page, but it is already a big help that Windows has this feature. Okay, so thank you for listening and thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button, click the bell, pass the word, continue your learning journey. There's lots of things in the pipeline, as well as already existing videos in my different playlists, be it Excel, SQL, Windows, other stuff. Okay, please subscribe and see you in the next video.